Good morning. Today I'm going to make a pumpkin black bean soup. I'm going to serve it for lunch alongside chicken cordon bleu stromboli. It's going to be very good. So let's get started on Darlene's table. Here are the ingredients. We have 3 teaspoons of cumin, 4 teaspoons of coriander. We have red pepper, black pepper, and salt. Garlic, onion, 28 ounces of fire-roasted diced tomatoes, half a cup of white wine, 2 cans of black beans that have been rinsed and drained, 1 can of pure pumpkin, chicken broth, heavy cream, and garlic olive oil. All right, let's get started. Start by getting this fire where I want it. Okay. Now, this is a 7-quart Dutch oven. Maybe a little bit big today, so a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, onion, I get kind of intense when I do things, and when I do, then my husband says when I'm concentrating on something that I frown. So he keeps reminding me to smile. And I'm going to add the garlic. I'm going to add the white wine. I've got half a cup of white wine here. And I'm going to let that come to a boil, and I'm going to cook it for 4 or 5 minutes until it's reduced by half. This wine just gives the flavor. There's no alcohol taste at all because it's going to cook off. The alcohol's cooking off. Wine doesn't usually flare up. It's when you're using whiskey, brandy, and things like that, and you add it in here hot. That's looking good, and I would say that's reduced by about half. So, now I'm going to put the broth in. And I'm going to add all the other ingredients. I'm adding the tomato, and I did not drain the tomato. Beans. The black beans, however, have been washed and drained. Now, I'm going to add the pumpkin. Yes, I know, straight out of the can. Now would be a good time to ring that bell so you get notified when I post a new video. Also, if you like the content, like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. This looks to me like it's going to need a little more chicken broth. All right, so now I'm going to add all the seasonings. That's the coriander, cumin, salt, pepper, and red pepper, cayenne. Let this simmer. Once it comes to a simmer, I'm gonna let this simmer for 20 minutes. I'm gonna put the lid on it. And that's good. It does need a little more salt. This is optional. I know a lot of you don't like MSG, but it definitely adds to the flavor. Okay, I'm going to remove the lid and add 1 cup of heavy cream. This is going to be so good. Especially we're going to serve this with a nice hot sandwich at lunch today. So we're going to leave the lid on and turn the heat off until we're ready to serve. Pumpkin black bean soup. In the heart of autumn, when the crisp air carries the promise of cozy evenings, there's nothing quite like a bowl of pumpkin black bean soup to soothe the soul. This seasonal dish combines the richness of pumpkin with the hearty protein of black beans, resulting in a blend of flavors that's nothing short of comforting. Whether enjoyed as a quick weeknight meal or served at a fall gathering, this soup is a celebration of the season's bounty. I hope you give it a try soon, and by now you know you can find this recipe on my website, darlenestable.com. Well, that's it for this video, so until next time, God bless and come back to see me, right here on Darlene's Table.